Hi there, welcome to today's lesson. In today's lesson, I'm going to provide the detailed guidance on how to use and customize Excel ribbon. Before get started, if you have any question, let me know in the comment box below. I'll talk to you there. Okay, let's dive just in. I believe you already know which one is ribbon on Excel user interface. This part here is the ribbon. Today, I'm going to show how to customize tabs, groups, and comment on the ribbon. Most customization to the Excel ribbon are performed in the Customize the Ribbon window, which is part of the Excel Options dialog box. You can open this window in many ways. Way number 1, click File, then go to Options, then Customize Ribbon. This is Customize the Ribbon window. Second way, right click anywhere on the ribbon from your mouse and select Customize the ribbon from the context menu. The same window will appear. Either way, the Excel Options dialog window will enable you to do all the customization. Now let's customize the tabs or menu on the ribbon. Microsoft provides many customization options for ribbon tabs, but still there are certain things that cannot be done. After installation, if no customization done in Excel, the Excel ribbon contains 9 tabs in its tab list: File, Home, Insert, Page Layout, Formulas, Data, Review, View, and Help. These are the default tabs. At the end of this tutorial, you will learn how to distinguish between customized and built-in tab, groups, and commands. You can rename, rearrange, and hide default tabs. You cannot remove the default tab completely. Let me show how to rename default tab. You can rename tabs in two ways. Way 1 is select the tabs you want to rename and click rename button here from bottom. This pop-up box will appear. Now edit the name. Home, edited. Click OK, then OK. You can see the name is changed. Way number 2 is, let me open the customization window again. Now select any tab, suppose insert, then right click from your mouse, then select rename here. Click OK, then again OK. Please pay attention that file tabs cannot be customized. There is no options for file tab here. Let's move on order. You can change the order of these tabs applying two techniques. Technique number 1 is select the tab you want to rearrange. For example, to move the home edited tabs to the end of the ribbon, select it and click the move down arrow continuously until you get your desired position. In similar way, you can move up. Okay, now you can see that it is at the end of the ribbon. Now again, open the window. Technique number 2 is select the tab you want to move, then right click and select move up from here. You can see that it has been moved on a step back. Now click OK. Now let me show how to hide this default tab or standard tab. Let me open the window again. Please remember, you cannot delete or remove default tabs. Only you can hide if required. To hide a tab, just uncheck the box and click OK. Uncheck this. Help is. You can see this. The help tab is no longer here. You can also hide in another way. Just click the tab, suppose view tab, then right click from mouse and click this show tab to hide it, then click OK. You can see that it has been removed from here. In the same way, you can show the hidden tabs. Just open it and check this box and click OK. Before moving on to group, let me show how to add custom tabs. Let me add a custom tab after Insert Edited tab. Select this Insert tab in Insert Edited tab. New tab from the bottom here. This adds a custom tab with a custom group because commands can only be added to custom group. You can add the custom tab in another way. Just click the tab after which you want to add the custom tab. Then right click from mouse and click this add new tab. Click OK. New tab after inserted edited tab and page and another new tab under page layout tab. Now let me rename this tab in the same way. If you notice, each tab that you have created have the word custom after their names, which is added automatically to distinguish between built-in and custom items. The word custom only appears in the Customize ribbon window, not on the ribbon. Custom is not here. Now let's focus on group. All the groups associated with default tabs are default groups or standard groups. You can add, remove, rearrange and rename standard groups as well as custom groups. Let me show how to do that. You can add new group to default and custom tab in two procedures. Just open the window again. Select the group and click group button from bottom. Okay, this you can see new group has been added. Now if I want to add another group under this tab, just select this, right click from your mouse and click add new group from this context menu. You can see that. Now click OK. The group name is not visible here because we haven't added any command to this group. Before adding group, let me show how to rename this. You can rename groups in two ways. Way one is select the custom group and click rename here. Let me change the name. Optionally, from the symbol box, select the icon to represent your custom group. You cannot add this symbol to default group. This icon will appear on the ribbon when the Excel window is too narrow to show the commands. So only the group names and icons are displayed. Way number 2 is right click the group, select the group, then right click from your mouse, then rename. Select an icon from here, then name it new group 2, click OK. OK. Now let me add some command to this group. Suppose cart and email add here. You can see that you can add a new group to default tab. Okay, to do that, click the tab, default tab, then add new group. Okay, you can add some command from here. You can also remove this default group from the default tab. Okay, let me show how to remove this chart group. Click inserted edited tab, then chart, then remove from here. Okay, if I want to remove these symbols, then click it, right click from your mouse, then remove. Click OK. You can see charts and symbols are not here. You can also rearrange the group. Just select it, then click this move up or move down icon. But you cannot remove the command from the standard group. There is no option to remove it. But you can remove from the custom group. Select it and then click remove. If you notice at the top here, you can see the drop down list. Excel by default only shows main tabs. You can select tool tabs or all tabs. Tool tabs are called contextual tabs on the ribbon that appears when you select a certain item such as table, chart, graphs or shape. Suppose if I insert a shape from here, you notice a drawing tool has been appeared. If you have made some ribbon customization, then want to revert to the original setup, Microsoft has given the flexibility to do that. Just click the reset, then choose reset all customization. Reset all customization to reset the entire ribbon. You have the flexibility to reset a specific tab, but default tab only. You can only do it if you have made any changes to the tab you want to reset. We added a new group under default insert tab. Now select this and select reset only selected ribbon tab, this one. You can see the name has been changed to its default insert from insert edited, and the custom group has been removed. Before reset all customization, let me show another thing. You can export your customized ribbon into a file that can be imported on another computer. To export a customized ribbon, click here, then click export all customization, select desktop, then click save and OK. Now open the dialog box again. Now reset all customization, click yes, OK. Now you can see that my file has been reverted to the default state. Now let me import the customized ribbon. Click here, import, desktop, yes, click OK. Excel replaces the standard ribbon with your personalized version. That's it, and that's how you can customize and use the ribbon in Excel. So I hope you have learned some new tips and tricks that you can use in your own Excel documents. Please like, share and comments, and also subscribe my channel if you find this lesson useful. And thanks for watching. Until next time, take care.